there, veggie pals. Welcome to our crunchy and colorful adventure in the Garden of Greens. I'm your veggie loving Mandeep, and today, we are going to dig deep into the wonderful world of vegetables, from to zucchini. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite root, the mighty carrot. Did you know that carrots are like nature's crunchy wands of magic? They're packed with vitamin A, which is super good for your eyesight. Plus, they come in all sorts of fun colors, orange, purple, even rainbow. Who wouldn't want to munch on these tasty treasures? Next up, we've got the superpower veggie, broccoli. Broccoli might look like little trees, but they're like tiny superheroes in disguise. They're bursting with vitamins and minerals that help keep our bodies strong and healthy. Plus, they're perfect for playing, eat your trees, with mom and dad. The juicy and versatile tomato. Did you know that tomatoes are actually fruits? It's true, but we like to think of them as veggie superheroes because they're packed with antioxidants and vitamins that help keep our hearts happy and healthy. Plus, they're the star of the show in pizzas, salads, and sandwiches, yum! Now, let's talk about Popeye's favorite, spinach. Spinach might be tiny, but it's mighty. It's loaded with iron, which helps us grow big and strong, just like our favorite cartoon sailor. Plus, it's perfect for making supercharged smoothies and salads that even the pickiest eaters will love. And there you have it, veggie enthusiasts. A whole garden of greens just waiting to be explored and enjoyed. Whether you are crunching on carrots, munching on broccoli, or savoring sweet tomatoes, there's a veggie adventure waiting for you. So, the next time you are at the grocery store or in the garden, be sure to say hello to your veggie friends. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the wonderful world of vegetables. Bye bye.